wipers. What a shame he wears those things. But anyway, on this job today. It's late in the day now. We're doing some grading. I got my quick attach rototiller on there. It's the first time using it. We've had it for 2 years. Haven't had to break it out for anything, but here we are using it. This is what the yard looked like before we started. This is what I'm getting to now. Just kind of roughing up the soil, trying to till those weeds in and rip the roots up so that we can actually fine grade the lawn. Got the Diamond C out. And that guy over there, there he is right there. That's the rock picker. He's got a whole bucket of rocks. And we're just getting after it, so let's get after it again. Alright, we're back on this job now. I didn't really film too much. I probably should have, but I just never got around to it. So, it is what it is at this point. But we're going to do some finishing work because they haven't really done much recording with the rock hound yet. I got that little snip video for you of the rototiller. You can see this is what we're working with here, and over there is what it looked like before. So this yard was pretty full of weeds when we first started. What's going on here? Having some trouble. Why isn't this working? Oh, that's a first. My hydraulics to turn on. Power down. Power back up. That's weird. Left joystick grip failure. I don't know what that means.
Only the amazing iPhone 12 with Canada's most affordable unlimited data plan. Seriously, this phone is so great. I went ahead and got 6 of them, one for every pocket.
You just checked it.
Hang on, that's me. Sorry, that's me too. Ah, jeez, I'm
Engine on low. Left joystick grip failure. But I bet you that's why I can't get my hydraulics to turn on. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, well I guess this is Christ. This is the problem. Why is it doing that? Left joystick, which isn't even the joystick for all these controls, grip failure. Alright, well I guess it's time to call the dealer. Alright, well things are starting to shape up now. First load of debris out. Got this whole side of the house done up. Gotta do this backyard pretty big, and then I got more in the front yard to do. And then we got the king potato. So we're getting it, and I got my machine back up and running. The left joystick had a problem. So I called the dealer trying to troubleshoot it. While I was on hold for 8 minutes, I rolled the seat forward, unplugged the joysticks, plugged them back in, and got it to work. So hopefully that solved my problem, if it was just a little glitch or something. And we're underway. Okay, we are back in service now. Ready to rip. I'm picking up so much dirt in this thing, it's ridiculous. A lot of rocks keep getting pulled up. I had to rock on about 2 times each just to be able to get it clean. But I'm looking for perfection here. Pretty nice big yard, that's for sure. I gotta rock on all this again. I'm just going through first, kind of leveling, picking up the big lines of rocks, soil conditioner left, and then after that I go through and kind of really fine comb it. When it's done, this soil back here is so nice when this is finally finished raked. So smooth. It's like just dumping soil out of a topsoil pile, shredded topsoil pile out. Super nice. Here, maybe you can hear me better now. Open the window. But yeah, the soil back here, it's an old farm field. So it's been tilled up and worked up for years, and all the rocks are up now, but all the soil's got, looks like really good vegetation growth on it. This back corner is going to grow awesome as long as it gets water. Mind you, it's July, so who knows? Plus a big yard. A lot of room here. So soft and all it's getting picked up by the rock hound instead of all the rocks. Some of this stuff's like really, really soft, which is nice. It's gonna make a really nice seed bed. I just don't like I gotta pick so the rock hound picks up so much of it. Luckily we're not far from our shop. I'm only like a mile away. So when I fill up, I can get back to the shop pretty quickly and dump it off and come back real quick, which is good. This will make a good fill soil, the stuff that we're ripping up. That's about it though. It's got to be top. It's got a lot of rocks in it. As long as you bury it deep enough. I see that house next door there. That's what this lawn looked like before we started. It was full of weeds like that, growing up like that. So we added a couple extra steps that we normally don't add. First came through and brush hogged it. A couple days or a week and a half in advance. Then I brought it to the rototiller and ripped it all up. Then helped dig down, rip those weeds up, pull them up to the surface, take the roots out. Then we ran the land blader over it and a bucket, tried to smooth it out a little bit. Then we actually had to pull off the job for a couple of days for rain, and we had to take care of some other jobs, which was good because that gave some time for those roots to kind of start to dry up and die, so we didn't have to deal with them. Then we came back, a little bit more leveling, getting some soil here and there. And then yesterday, it up and downpoured on us, so we had to leave the job again because it was too wet to grade. The fine grade like this. That happened around 10 o'clock yesterday morning. It's 9:30 now today, the next day. We came back yesterday afternoon. I finished my leveling. Put the land planer in the bucket. I soil conditioned the entire yard. Took a whole load of rocks out of here. Got it ready to go for today. We did some handwork around the foundation of the house. Did some handwork around the pipes and all the other stuff sticking up in the yard. And now this morning we are getting after with the rock hounding, and if all else goes, if everything goes well, I just ran over a bird. If everything goes well, we should be hydroseeding this afternoon, getting this place wrapped up in green, which is exciting. I was really excited about doing this house. I've been looking at it since they started building it back last year, almost probably a year ago, maybe probably in August. So I'm glad that we were able to get the job, be able to do it. It's a gorgeous house, nice plot of land, everything. Send a quick snap to Randy. He'll be all upset about her.
Now the place, now the town, memories lost, but for now, breathing in, breathing out to get my thoughts back off the ground. Walking down now the street, passing by people meet. Anyhow, just for now, I'm realizing what I need. And then you come to my mind. Well, I guess it's kind of sign. Don't take long to realize. I think it's time, so I'll raise my voice and I am running around looking for you. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Searching all over town just to be sure. Look around, see me stare, looking back, now I'm there in the sand. Take my hand, let's find something for us to share. Making out, touching down, every smile in your face seems to me, it brings up thoughts of every second that I wasted without you, right by my side. How did I manage just to hide that it feels so very right? But I'm restless, so I raise my pace and I am running around looking for you. Searching all over town just to be sure. When you're hanging around, see nothing new. Finally asking you out, how do you do? The only reason, can't you see, that keeps me running down that street is any chance for us to meet. It could be you I'm looking for. I think I've never been so sure. Got you, I never let you go. I am running around looking for you. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Searching all over town just to be sure. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Where you're hanging around, see nothing new. Could be you, could be you, could be you. Finally asking you out, how do you do? I am running around looking for you. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Searching all over town just to be sure. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Where you're hanging around, see nothing new. Could be you, could be you, could be you. Finally asking you out, how do you do?
Well, unfortunately my camera died, and I didn't think it would because it's got a 9-hour battery. So I wanted to film some hydroseeding, but I got screwed in that, so here I am emptying the hydroseeder. But anyway, we put down 4.5 tanks worth of hydroseed on that yard. Got it all wrapped up real nice. Customer's happy. A little late now, it's almost 7 o'clock. We're just finishing up, but we got her done. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That lets me know that you like the content that I'm putting out. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.